Good day. Thank you so much, and welcome back to our channel. And we are here at Just Space Academy. It's a school that is located in Strand, 2 Boundary Road, Strand. So you can send your kids as well, and it's a very good place to learn. So today we are busy with energy for life in our natural science term 3. And energy for life. We use energy for everything we do, because everything we do, we need energy. Even for us, for us to work and for us to live, we need energy. In everything we do, we need energy. And also we can see the energy coming from the power. Coming from the power, we have electrical energy that we know when we buy our power at home. Even if we want to cook, to use our oven, we need energy to use everything that we need. And the first energy that we have is the energy coming from the sun. We also need energy for us to stay alive, because we need to eat food, and that food is transmitting us energy. So we need energy coming from the food. When you are hungry and you're tired, you don't have a power, you don't have a strength, so you need a new energy for you to stand and walk and even walk as well. So, and here we use energy for everything we do. There are 7 life processes that we covered in term 3 and term 1 as well. So we have 7 life processes that we know, that is movement, reproducing, sensing, feeding, breathing, stretching, growing. For things to be a living thing, it must carry all the 7 life processes. So if it does not carry all the 7 life processes, it is a non-living thing. And now, think about, why do we need to eat? Everybody, every human being, we need to eat. Why do we need to eat? We need to eat. We get our energy from the food we eat. So when you are hungry and you're tired, you don't have the strength, you don't have energy. So you need a new energy for you to stay alive. So that new energy is coming from the food that we eat. And we eat the plant, and the food made from plant to give us energy. We also eat the meat from animals to give us energy. So we're getting our energy from the food that we eat. It can be plants and vegetables that we used to eat, and also from the meat as well. But where does the energy in the food come from? That is the question. Where does the energy from the food come from? Energy in our food comes from the sun. So the sun is very important, because we get almost all of our energy on the earth from the sun. And we call this energy solar energy. You understand? So we call it a solar energy. And sol means sun. So if we have a solar energy, I can write somewhere. We have a solar energy. Solar energy. And from this word here, we divide into this sol means sun. This sol means sun. And the sun is the closest star to the earth. As you can see in the solar system, if we have a sun in the middle, and in the solar system, we can see the sun is the closest star from the earth. Our earth is the third planet, so that we can see it somewhere, and the closest star from the sun from the earth is the sun. And a star is a giant ball of gas which release energy. Some of this energy from the sun travel to the earth in rays. Some of the rays are light that we can see. Other rays, like ultraviolet light and X-ray, we cannot see. So this is about the sun. So all our energy in our food comes from the sun, because the sun is very important, it's very vital for our living. And energy from the sun. That was the energy from the sun. And also here we can see we have this growing. We have our sun here that is giving us all the brightness here. We can see all the energy coming from the sun will go to the tree. And that tree, the tree will store that energy. It will start store that energy. Then we'll get this energy by the process called photosynthesis. That will make the plant to grow. It will even form the food from the tree, so that it can go, it's gonna go underground from the root, and from the root that food will go up and be stored on the leaf. This is the photosynthesis processes. So now, and here we have store energy in fuels. What are fuels? There are a few definitions of fuels. Some fuels can be burned to create heat and light. Wood is often collected and burned to give us heat and light. Wood comes from the plant, from plant specifically tree. So we get wood when we cut trees. And the plant use light energy from the sun. So all the plants that we have, and it get the energy, the light from the sun. Light energy from the sun, as well as carbon dioxide and water to grow. So we have water and the carbon dioxide that is in the atmosphere that is making the plant to grow with water as well. Then plants take the energy stored in the leaf, root, and all parts of the plant. Wood also contains this energy stored by plants. Burning wood allows us to change the stored energy into light. So how are we getting our light? From the trees. When we cut the trees, we make it it become a wood, and from the wood, when we burn, we get what? Light and heat. This is our first form of energy that we get, the light that we have as well. So then, the source of energy. Why do we need energy? That is the question. Why do we need energy? Why do we need energy?
To breathe.
We need energy to breathe. Another one. Why do we need energy?
To make us strong.
To make us strong. Okay. To get a new power. Why do we need energy? To? Okay. Listen here. Why do we need energy? We need energy to light our homes, power our cars, cook our food, and to be able to walk. You understand? Because if it's dark, you cannot walk in the darkness. You understand? So, to be able to walk, think, and write. Because if you don't have a power, you don't have electricity to walk, you cannot write at night. You understand? You can't see because it's dark. You understand? So now, to write, everything we do is connected to energy. Everything we do is connected to energy. Like us, today, we need energy this morning to come at school. You understand? We need the power and the strength with our body. We come at school, we need a light. You see? We need a light for us to see properly. You understand? So everything we do, we need energy, because you travel this morning from your home coming to school. You get a car. You understand? You understand? So from that car needs also energy. You need the petrol. You understand? Everything we do to light even the car, so the car to start and start driving the car. You understand? Start moving. You need energy. And then energy is defined as the ability to do work. You understand? To do work, that's the definition of the energy, is the ability to do work. We use energy to do work. For example, when we lift something. When I'm lifting this laptop, I need what? We need energy to do work by lifting this one up. You understand? So, when we lift something or warm it up or light something, as you can see, energy is an essential part of our daily life. Understand? So it's an essential thing. Then, where does energy come from? That is the question. Where does the energy come from? There are 7 forms of energy. Forms of energy are types of energy. You understand? They are electrical energy from lightning. You understand? So the bubble that we see, everything. We have electrical energy. We have light energy from the sun.